Hi and welcome to another video from Carter and Haynes. This is a truly special Audi SQ5 with a genuine ABT power upgrade and body kit. The cost of the upgrade on this car, if anybody knows their ABT, was nearly £22,000, which consists of 22-inch alloys, the wide stance body kit, the gloss black rear spoiler, the ABT exhausts, front gloss black grills, etc. It really is a stunning looking thing, as you can see. We do need to refurbish a few of the alloys, but apart from that, she is ready to go. And there you get the ABTs there. You can see the exhausts, ABT exhausts here. I mean, it really does look incredible. It's a very high spec car also. So, oh yes, part of the ABT is a complete carbon fibre interior, as you can see on the door inserts and around there. We have the quilted leather seats, we have the pan roof, we have the Bang & Olufsen stereo, widescreen nav, heated seats, everything you could want on this car. And it sounds lovely as well. Back seats. There we go. We take part exchanges. We offer finance. Our website is www.carterandhaynes.co.uk, or call us on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.